In this quick video, I'm going to touch on the percent of decrease. All right, let's start with an example as always. So let's say you bought a car back in 2005 and the car was worth $5,000. Now 2010, your car is worth $1,500. Now this is typical when we deal with cars because cars are known to depreciate over time in value. Most of them, unless it's an antique car, that's different. Okay. So obviously the value went down. So this is called a decrease. All right, so how do we find the percent of decrease? Okay, it's the same thing. Now that's the good news. It's the same thing, same formula and everything else. What's the amount of decrease? Remember your formula, the amount of increase. Now we put the amount of decrease. What's the amount of decrease? You're going to put 5,000 minus 1,500. And the answer is $3,500. That's how much your car depreciated, right? So once you find the amount of decrease, you're gonna divide that by the original. Which one is the original? The car was worth $5,000 in 2005, so that's your original value. So you're gonna divide $3,500 by $5,000, and the answer should be 0.7. Now, what did I say about the last step? Always multiply by 100, okay? Regardless of what the number looked like. It might look like a whole number, but still don't skip this. It's very important, okay? So what's 0.7 times 100? Obviously, it's 70%. Okay, so over the course of 5 years, your car lost 70% of its value. That's what it means. Percent of decrease. Okay, so again, it's the same formula and everything. You just do it for the decrease instead. Okay, so next we'll do the practice exercises.